banjo is all about tone and timing. When we're playing slowly, it gives us a lot more time to really consider what we're sounding like. And especially as we get older and we're trying to get the hands to work more consistently, that can be a challenge. And that's what we're really trying to do, is get them to work with more consistency. So more consistency with the hand means more consistency with tone, which means that our notes are going to sound better and our timing is going to be tighter.